Hi, is your designer Tosmas and welcome to my video. And in this video, I want to show us a project that I worked on using Webflow in the last month. If you are wondering what a Webflow is a low code, no code tool that we can use to create an e-commerce website or a portfolio website for a personal use or for our businesses. And when we are creating this website on Webflow, we can host it as well for free. But when we are hosting it for free, the website is usually watermarked with their badge. So everybody will know that okay, this website belongs to Webflow, that is hosting on Webflow. But if you want to use something that is customized, like with your own domain name and all of that, you have to buy a domain name maybe from Hostinga or Wixspace. Then you link that domain name to the Webflow website. And there's a way we can do that. If you are looking for a video on how to link your domain name to your Webflow website, I have a video on that. I have a tutorial video on that on my YouTube that you can watch and link your domain name to Webflow successfully. So let's get back to the project. And this is the project. It's a security tip website. It has all these feature. It has a image slider, contact form, and all of that. If you are looking to learn Webflow, I take classes, just send me a DM. And if you have a website design project, I'm also available for that. I think I have come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.